everybody and welcome back to my channel. On Mindflow Trading, I share useful trading software, trading tools, as well as my journey as I grow and develop as a trader, primarily in the Forex markets. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you an opportunity that is revolutionizing funding for traders. You may have heard of proprietary firms. Up until today, there weren't any real firms for stock traders. However, now there is Trade the Pool, which is powered by the 5%ers. You may have heard of the 5%ers. They are most known to be one of the best prop firms available for trading the Forex market. Now you can trade more than 3,000 stocks and ETFs with Trade the Pool. And in this video, I'm going to be talking more about the features of Trade the Pool and what they can do for you. When I first embarked upon my trading journey, I began trading the US stocks about 4 years ago with the company Warrior Trading. I encountered a few issues, which is a big part of why I switched to trading Forex. The pattern day trading rule is where stock traders must have at least $25,000 to be able to day trade. They also need to pay for a real-time data feed, which can get quite costly. Buying power and leverage is only 4 times your initial deposit. The minimum amount required to open a broker account is $2,500, which is not the best for day trading. Those issues are just some of the reasons why most traders won't be able to trade the stock market and miss out on trading a market with a huge upside, with lots of opportunities and assets. Enter Trade the Pool. Now you can day trade with only $240 and 20 times buying power. You can trade over 3,000 stocks and ETFs, so you can really capitalize on the many opportunities that are available in those markets. You can withdraw your profit and you can grow the account at the same time. Data feed is free of charge and you are using a professional trading platform. If you don't reach the target within the allocated program time, you don't have to lose the progress that you have made. You can just pay an extra small fee and you continue from the point that you are already at within your challenge, which is a huge advantage that most prop firms do not offer you. So what's the difference between Forex prop firms to using a prop firm to trade stocks? It can be much easier to reach the target when trading stocks because the stock market is such a volatile market with lots of movement and lots of opportunities for day traders. There are also many more assets available to trade within the stock market over other markets such as Forex or commodities. Since you are trading in a big pool, you do not need to choose your account size, but rather your preferred daily loss. Reaching your daily loss does not mean that your account will be terminated. And on the next trading day, you will be able to continue to trade. So there are quite a few points there that separate trading a prop firm on Forex to trading a stocks prop firm. But how does Trade the Pool actually work? Well, there are 3 different levels available to choose from. There is Super Buying Power, which costs $240. There is Extra Buying Power, which costs $415. And there is Ultimate Buying Power, which costs $1,180. And the program goals are quite simple. You have to take a minimum of 50 trades, and you have to make 6 times your daily loss. And this is what's very interesting about Trade the Pool, is that in terms of the challenge and targets, it focuses more on the risk rather than the target. So there isn't a set percentage or a set amount of a target to reach. It's more about putting it in perspective as to what your max loss is. So in this case, you want to make 6 times your max daily loss. Trade the Pool is definitely a prop firm option for professional traders where you are focusing on managing the money on your account and managing the risk and protecting your capital and allowing it to grow rather than focusing on trying to get rich quick. Trade the Pool also gives some really unique perks, such as regardless of your target, if you have 5 consecutive winning days, then the trader will receive more daily loss and buying power. So there's definitely some incentives to help you to grow your account. So I'm super excited to be sharing with you this prop firm purely for trading the stock market. And in fact, I've managed to gain exclusive access so that I can show you guys what their dashboard looks like and a little bit of content behind the scenes. So let's jump onto the computer and check out Trade the Pool. Okay guys, so here I am on tradethepool.com. This is their main website. And on here you can get a lot more information about the different programs they have available. And before we sign in and check out the dashboard, I'm just going to show you really quickly the 3 different programs I mentioned before that they have available. So we have the Super Buying Power, the Extra Buying Power, and the Ultimate Buying Power. And here you can find more information on the stats, so you can see the figure for the daily loss, the profit target, the max drawdown rate. You can see that the payout is 50-50, so it does follow the usual 5% model there of a 50-50 profit split. There are 50 minimum trades, and you also get what's called a pump, which is a growth formula to help you to increase your daily loss allowance. So it ultimately helps you to grow your account and reach your target quicker. And this just shows the benefits of trading with Trade the Pool as a funded trader over being a retail trader trading the stock market on your own. As you can see, opening a day trading stock account is actually a lot cheaper if you choose this option with Trade the Pool and you are not risking your own capital. You have unlimited buying power, which is a great advantage when it comes to trading stocks. I'm actually talking from experience with this as well, because I traded stocks for about just under 2 years, and a lot of the factors I really struggled with, Trade the Pool have managed to actually solve with this program. Scaling your account is a lot easier with Trade the Pool. And they also give you some really useful features. They give you access to a live trading room. And this before, I was paying about £100 a month for a loan. So that's a really, really great benefit there. They have some one-on-one coaching available, which once again is another brilliant feature to help you to have a mentor to help develop your trading skills. They also give you some performance statistics, and they give plenty of guidance and support, which can pretty much be priceless in this industry. So you are really getting a lot for the package. So if you want to find out some more information on Trade the Pool, I have got some links below in the description where you can check this page out. Or if you want to have a go for yourself, if you want to join now, I have got a link below. Meanwhile, let's sign into the platform and show you what the dashboard looks like. So I've just signed in. Here we are in the accounts overview, and they actually give you 2 accounts. This is very interesting. You get access to your live account that you use to grow and reach your targets on, and you also get access to a demo account. Now this is very useful because it means that once you actually sign up with Trade the Pool, you can, for the first 14 days, use the demo account. And it helps you to just really get familiar with the features. It helps you to get used to how to place a trade, how to set a stop, how to do all of the things that you need to do to trade, but in an environment where it's not going to affect your stats. So you can get confident and you can get familiar with the software before you actually start your active live account. And if I click on the active live account, that will take me into the dashboard for that, where you can see specific stats to help you with your performance growth. At the top, you can see here the daily loss, so it does tell you what your daily loss is, and this will also change as you grow. There are program objectives here, so you've got your profit target, your max drawdown rate, which is 3 times your daily loss, the total trades that you've taken, and it gives you some more information on the pump and the dump features as well. You can see insights into your daily performance and overall account stats, such as your risk-reward ratio and your accuracy rate for trading. As you can see, these are blank at the moment because I'm just gaining access to this to share with you guys. I haven't actually traded this yet, but I'm certainly going to look into it for myself. And then on the left-hand side, you can see here that you can access your profile. You can go into orders if you want to place any more orders or top-ups for the accounts. And then you've also got the trading space option. Now this is very interesting. You can do quite a few things from this tab. You can first of all download your trading platform, whether that's for desktop, for Apple, or for Android. And then scrolling down, there's also some really useful features here that you can use to help you to grow and reach those targets. So there is a free ebook, there is a free cheat sheet here, and you also get access to a free trading plan. There's a trading plan calculator, there's a sheet with useful US market holidays, and there's the download links for the trading software itself. And scrolling down the screen, you've also got some FAQs and some useful videos on stock terminology. So there are some really cool educational features as well. It's really exciting to see that there is now a platform available for trading the stock market. And it's just another way that's really opening up the industry for the everyday trader out there. So if you'd like some more information on Trade the Pool, I have got some links below in the description, so make sure you check those out. If you've enjoyed this video, please be sure to drop me a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. And I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!